tell me what did we discuss about gender inequality? Yes, Rahul.
Gender equality means women's and men's
Women and men.
Discrimination in between.
Who is discriminated? Both. Maybe both, maybe sometimes one of them. Right? So there's a discrimination between men and women. Can somebody explain the word discrimination? Different? No. Yes, Amina. Exploited? No.
Unequal.
No. Yes, Bobby. That's a translation. Tell me the meaning of the word in English. Yes, Natesh.
We need to compare to each other.
Compare. Sohail.
People do not treat equally to others.
Yeah, so both men and women are not treated equally. Yeah, maybe one is given more importance and the other is given less importance. Yeah, it could be either one. Maybe sometimes men, maybe sometimes women. Maybe sometimes girls, maybe sometimes boys. Yeah, so we read the first page of the handout that was given to you. Yeah, and we tried to understand something. What was it that we tried to understand? Yes, Ashwin, what did we try to understand? On this paper, what did you write? Look at your paper. Idea. What idea? Main idea, right? We try to understand the main idea of what we read. Can somebody tell me what is the main idea? Is it any line in the passage? Yes, Alvaz?
The main idea means that the idea of this passage or paragraph, that means we read the passage and understand the passage and read the meaning.
Yeah, but what is main idea? Mayur?
Any line or any point which comes in different ways or means two or more than other.
Can somebody replace the word main idea and think about another word? It will come in your question paper also. Another word for main idea. Key idea. Yeah? Main idea is also called a key idea. The most important point. Yeah. The most important point of the paragraph. Yeah? And how do we find it? By understanding things that are repeated again and again in that passage. Yeah? Okay, so we did it for the first passage. We're going to turn to the second page. You were all expected to read the information on the first two paragraphs of the second page. Yeah? So I'm going to ask quick factual questions to check who really read it. Yeah? Okay? Ashfaq, can you tell me where are the Samoan Islands situated?
Is situated. Samoan Island is situated as
Samoan Islands.
Samoan Island
Is it one island? So, Samoan Islands
Island is
are situated
in
southern part,
southern part of
not southern, southern.
southern part of the Pacific.
Can somebody repeat that? Yes, Sejal.
The Samoan Islands are situated in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, what is southern? Southern means south. Yeah, is south up or down? Down. Yeah, alright. Next question, Aniket. Which activity was important on the islands? Which activity was important on the islands?
Fishing was very important activity on the island.
Yes, fishing was a very important activity on the islands. Next one, Shivangi. At what age did children take up their own responsibility?
5 years.
At what age did children take up their responsibility?
Children take their responsibility.
Did they take it now?
At the age of,
No, children.
in the older,
Start again. Children. Instead of take, what do you write? What is the past tense of take? So children
responsibility in 5 years. That's 5.
at the age of 5. 5. At the age of 5. Yeah. Children took their responsibility at the age of 5. Alright. Next question, Rahul Singh. Where was food cooked in Samoa? Where was food cooked in Samoa? Yes. Can you repeat the full sentence? Where was food cooked in Samoa? Gaurav, can you put your paper down, please? Listen to my question one more time. Where was food cooked in Samoa? Use the question. Use the words in the question. Where? Suppose I ask you, where do you live? What will you say?
I live
Kerala, right? So can you repeat that with this? Where was food cooked? The food was in Samoa. Yeah, can you repeat it one more time? Food was cooked in. Alright, I want you to use the words of the question itself. That is something we discussed on the other day. Yeah, don't try to make it complex by adding your own words. Alright? Okay, so we're going to read these two paragraphs again, okay? And try to understand them better and also see what are the main ideas that we came up with. Alright? Yeah, can you read the first paragraph, please?
Police shall not in the 1920s.
Can I have all eyes here? Samoa. Yeah.
The Samoa Islands are part of a large group of small islands in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. In the 1920s, according to research report on Samoa society, children did not go to school. They learn many things such as how to take care of children or do household work for older children and for adults. Fishing was a very important activity on the island. Young people therefore learned to undertake long fishing expeditions, but they learned this thing at different points in their childhood.
Yeah. So there's one word that I found which was difficult in this paragraph. Expeditions. Yeah, can you all read that sentence silently in your head? And try to guess what the word expeditions means. Silently in your head, read the sentence where there is expeditions. Darshan, you have your paper. Please read in that. Yes, Bobby. Participate. So let's try to use Bobby's word, okay? Young people therefore learn to undertake long fishing. Participate. No? Not participate. Something else. Yes, and then explanation. Okay, let's try to use Vidin's word. Young people therefore learn to undertake long fishing explanation. Do you think that word goes? No. Albaz?
I think they don't participate.
So did you get that from the dictionary? Alright, yeah. So expedition means a journey. Yeah. In the month of May, when I have holidays, I am going to go on an expedition with my friends. I'm going to go on a journey. Yeah. But it's a special type of a journey where you go with a specific purpose. on an expedition to know more about those forests. Yeah? So what do you think, what was the purpose of these expeditions? Why did they go on expedition? Here, the Samoan children. Why did they go on the expedition, Adesh? Can you read that sentence?
Because there is activity of fishing, and around there was a Pacific Ocean.
Okay. So, because of the activity of fishing, but what did they want to do in these expeditions? Read that sentence, you'll find the word there. Learn fishing, yeah? So, what you said about fishing is absolutely right. So, they wanted to learn fishing. That was the reason they went on these expeditions. Can everyone write this word in their notebook, please? And put a dash and write the meaning. A journey taken, a journey, Journey, a journey taken for a specific purpose. For a specific purpose. For one particular purpose, yeah? A journey taken for a specific purpose. So what do you think is the main idea of this paragraph? What is the main idea of this paragraph? Maybe you could be wrong, but that's okay. If you did your homework, I think you should be able to raise your hand confidently. Just Angad, Arbaz and Sohail did their homework. Yes, Shiva.
I think this paragraph is about what does boy and girl do when they become adults.
Okay, so Shubham thinks that this paragraph is about what girls and boys do when they become adults. Anything else? Yes, Rahul.
I think that this paragraph about.
I think that
this paragraph about
is
is about the culture of that island.
which items? Culture of
So
SA makes what sound, Rahul?
so
SA makes Samoa Islands. Okay, Rahul thinks it's about the culture of Samoan Islands. Anything else different? Yes, Nana.
if boy and girl are teenagers, what they want to do or why they
Now this paragraph is not using the word teenage anywhere. You're telling me for the next paragraph. Yes, Abba.
meaning that about the Samoa children in the island that they want how they work.
Can you think about that sentence one more time and tell me? I think this paragraph is about
the Samoa Island children
Okay.
are want to become adults, but they want to work for it.
they want to work
Work for it.
for it.
For it.
They need to work for it. Okay, so when they are becoming adults, how are they working? Okay. Last idea. Yes, Neil.
They growing up adults in different places like Samoa Island by doing any job by any.
Yeah, so like many of you said, this paragraph mainly talks about how the children in Samoa, Samoa Islands, how do they grow? What are the things that they have to do? Yeah, does everyone agree with that? Alright, Angad, can you read the second paragraph? Now to clear.
As soon as babies who walk,
Loud and clear.
as soon as babies who walk their mother or other adults no longer look after them. Older children, often as young as 5 years old, took over their responsibility. Good boys and girls look after their younger siblings, outdoor jobs like fishing and planting coconut. Girls had to continue looking after small children or to errands for adults. Till they were teenagers, but once they
Till they were teenagers.
but once they became teenagers, they had much more freedom. After the age of 14 or so, one also went on fishing, working in the land, learned how to
Plantations.
learned how to weave basket. Cooking was done in special cooking house where boys were supposed to do most of the work while girls helped with the plantation.
Read it one more time. With the, no, last word. With the preparation. Yeah, with the preparation. Alright? So there are a couple of words in this errands. I'm going to read out that sentence and you're going to guess what it means. Okay? Girls had to continue looking after small children or do errands for adults. For adults? Above 18, big people, right? Older people. Okay? So they have to do errands for adults. They have to do something for adults. Yes, Bobby? What type of work do you think it would be? Yes, Neha? To deliver or to collect something. So usually when we were kids, our parents used to give us that kind of work, right? Take this packet and go and give it to somebody. Yeah? Or go to the shop and bring so and so things. That is an errand. It's a small job where you have to bring or you have to give something. Where you have to bring or deliver something. Those of you who have not written it, please put this word down in your notebook. Errands and put a dash in front of it. Yeah. Small jobs to bring, small jobs to bring or deliver something. Small jobs to bring or deliver something. Yeah, Amit, have you put it down? There is one more word, teenagers. How many of you think that there are teenagers in this school? Yeah, most of us are teenagers. Yeah, who are teenagers? 18, 13 onwards. Yeah, 13 to usually 19. Yeah, the word ends with teen, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so please write down age group between 13 to 19. There's one more word, but we've discussed it before. Yes. Who are siblings? Or what are siblings? Yes, Yunus. Brothers and sisters. Yeah? So Rahul, how many siblings do you have? How many? How many siblings? One sibling. Yeah? So you have one sister, so she's your sibling. Alright? Alright, have you all put that down? Yes. Okay. Let's try and think about what is the main idea of this paragraph. What is repeated again and again in this paragraph? Or what is the main focus of this paragraph? Yes, Shubhangi. One second. Can you all please listen to what Shubhangi is saying? Yes. I should take responsibility. Can you be specific? Correct. Yeah, but I want you to be specific. And I told you how you need to start writing your main idea. Can you use that same starter?
This paragraph is about taking responsibility.
It's about taking responsibility, but it's very vague, right? I am taking responsibility. Are you taking responsibility? Who's taking the responsibility? Children in India?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arvaz?
I think this paragraph is about seeing
Someone
someone I let children grow how growing up and how differently they work and
Okay, I'm looking for a specific word. Okay, have they used the word children here or have they referred to children in a different way? Teenagers. What else? What else? Yes. I heard it from someone. Gaurav? What is? How are they referring to children? Are they saying all children? Teenagers is also a lot of them. Children is also a lot of them.
Babies. Older children.
Boys and girls, right? They're telling you exactly what boys are supposed to do and what girls are supposed to do. In the first paragraph, did they tell you that? In the first paragraph, they told you generally what children are supposed to do. Yeah, all children in Samoa. In the second paragraph, they're telling you what boys are expected to do and what girls are expected to do. And at what age. Yeah? So can you put these points together and form the main idea? Amgat said at which age and I said boys and girls. And I said what are they supposed to do. Can you join these 3 points to make your main idea? Amgat. I put the 3 points on the board. Age, boys and girls and work. Yeah, please write it down. Write it down. Start with the starter that I gave you. I think that this paragraph is about dash.
on our paper.
Yeah. Notebook, if you have placed the paper, you write on the paper. Yeah, has anyone come up with the main idea? Yes, Hina.
I think this paragraph is about what the boys and girls do when they see and others.
Is it only about adults? So at different ages. Yeah? So this paragraph is about what boys and girls, what work boys and girls do at different ages. Yeah? When they're 5 years old, what do they do? When they're 9 years old, what do they do? When they're teenagers, what do they do? Does anyone agree with that? Yes? No?
Yes.
I heard a question there only some.
Yes.
Yeah, is there someone who disagrees with it? No? Alright, can you pick up a line from the paragraph which supports this main idea? Pick up a factual detail from the paragraph which supports this main idea. Second paragraph. Second paragraph. Yes, that should also our answer. Read the line. It's okay this round. Just read the line. But that's just talking about girls. A line where both are being talked about. Yes, Mayur.
Older children often
Is that
as young,
children's?
older children often as young as 5 years old took over their responsibility.
But that's talking about older children. Where does it mention girls and boys? Yes, Nurfish.
Both boys and girls looked after their younger siblings, but by the time
Let's listen to him.
by the time a boy was about 19 years old.
Yeah. Okay. And also the last line. Yeah. Cooking was done in a special cooking house where boys were supposed to do most of the work and while girls helped with the preparation. Yeah. Okay. Can somebody happened in Samoa Islands? Any three things using both the paragraphs. I still see only the same hands coming up. Nilesh, could you try? Three things that happened in Samoa Islands. What is new information that you got about Samoa Islands? Who is they?
Boys.
Can I listen? Only Nilesh we have? Yes. Is that one thing? Is that one point of yours? Okay. Second point, Rahul.
In different age, boys and girls have to do different jobs.
Different jobs, Komal. One more point. That's something new that you learned about Samoa. Let her answer. She was listening. Their occupation maybe was mainly fishing. Sejal, what was those?
Fishing and
Okay, they used to take dog fishing expeditions. Last point. We do not answer at all. Kuldeep. One thing new that you learned. No, there are no points. Yeah, I'm sure there's something else. What was the first new thing that you learned about Samoa? Avinash is going to answer by himself. This class is waiting for you. What is? Look at the first paragraph. Don't even look at the whole thing. Look at the first paragraph and tell me. Fishing is something else. They do fishing, that's absolutely correct, but it's already done. No, that's also done. That's what they will say. Avinash, Darshan and Agar, can I have you close your mouth?
The Samoa Islands are part of a large group of small islands in southern part of Pacific Ocean.
Have you heard about Samoa Islands before this? No, right? So that's a new thing. Yeah? Alright. I want everyone to focus on the last line of the second paragraph. Okay? Last line. I'm going to read it out. Cooking was done in special cooking houses where boys were supposed to do most of the work while girls helped with the preparation. Can somebody tell me what is it that the boys did there? Cooking. It says boys were supposed to do most of the work. What does that mean? Yes, Amir. Cooking. They did the main important task of cooking. And what did the girls do? Can we raise our hands and wait for our chance? Yes, Adesh. Helping. Helping in what sense do you think? How are they helping? Yes, Shivangi. What type of preparation? Yes, Hina. Maybe to cut vegetables or maybe to clean the vegetables from the market. Yeah, or whatever other materials are needed. Okay? Think about this situation in Samoa and think about the situation in India, in our society. Okay? The boys in Samoa are cooking, are doing the main job of cooking. And the girls in Samoa are bringing things or cutting vegetables. Yeah? How many of you think that the situation is different in our society? How many of you think that this situation of what boys are doing and what girls are doing is different in our society? Raise your hand
boys and girls have to do equal work.
But they're doing equal work, right? Boys are cooking, girls are doing preparation. Is that not equal?
The boys are doing most of the work.
Okay. Okay, so it should not be like that. Why do you think that? Why do you think like that? Do you need time to think? Okay, anyone else? Yes, Uncle.
India,
Loud and clear, everyone should be able to hear you.
in India, the boys need to work. They are stronger and they can do their work, but girls cannot do their work. If the boys are not educated, then they can become anything, but girls are artificial or
Okay.
transport what is working. But girls can sit in around them.
Does anyone want to say something about Uncle's point? Did you all hear his point? Uncle, can you repeat it louder? In short, yeah?
Girls are not very powerful. They cannot pick up any hard things or stronger
Heavy
outside
things.
heavy things and transport what boys can do. And girls have easy to cook food in house.
Did you hear this point now? Yeah, what do the girls have to say about that? Do you agree with what Uncle is saying? No, right? That means you have something to say to him. Yes, Hina. Can we listen to each other respectfully? Avinash? What happened? I need to be very, very respectful. Yes. It's talking about cooking, right? That's a valid point. It's talking about just cooking. So is it okay for boys to cook and is it okay for girls to not cook? Yes. Why? I just don't want yes and no. Anyone can say yes and no, 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 yes, yes. I want a proper reason about why you think so. Yes, yes.
If boys cook food, then there will be mistakes. There is mistake in food and somehow because we don't like to eat them.
Okay. Yes, Sejal. Let's speak to the person who spoke. Okay, Rahul. Avinash, the last and one more. Yeah, please raise your hand. I'll give you a chance to speak to the class. Darshan, I do not want to know what you want to say. Yes.
The whole day both go through means jobs also and both were tired and boys have lot many powers than the girls and because that boys can help in cooking. Yes.
So how many of you think that boys should only help in cooking, not cook? How many of you think that boys should only help in cooking, but not cook? And how many of you think that boys should cook and girls should only help? Boys should do the cooking part and girls should only help. And how many of you think that there should be equal distribution of work? Yeah, maybe some days the boys cook and some days the girls cook. Alright, okay. Here I am done. Okay, since we are discussing,
Teacher, but
yes.
society teaches girls from childhood to cook boys to cook.
Yeah, so that's the difference that we spotted, right? In our society and in Samoan society. Yeah, that's the difference. Okay? So since we are talking about gender inequality, yeah, looking at Samoa's situation, you know what boys do, what girls do. And you know in our society what boys do, what girls do. Yeah? Do you think there is gender equality here or gender inequality? How many of you think there is gender inequality in Samoan society? Or on the Samoan Islands. They are not equal. Boys and girls are not equal. whatever you're saying, inequality or equality, can you write your reason for that in your notebook? If you think there is gender inequality, why do you think so? If you think there is gender equality, why do you think so? In Samoa. Okay, we're just talking about Samoa. Please start your answer with I think there is gender inequality or equality because. I need to have at least two reasons why you think like that. Yeah? Two reasons why you think that there is gender equality or gender inequality. How did I tell you to start?
I think that
But I don't see that. Then have you finished? Take 10 more seconds. So, my question is there an inequality or an equality? So, how will you use that point to show that there is equality? There is no problem. Alright, can somebody share their answer? Somebody who believes that they've got two good reasons. Yes, Gaurav.
In Samoan Island, there is gender inequality because boy want to cook food and girl will only do it. And in Ireland, small children want to do what adults say.
Okay, last one more. Yes, madam.